So you guys all know Zola. She is, what are you going to do today?
I'm going to teach you guys how to draw a unicorn, and it's going to be really pretty. But this is a really special day. It's Saturday, and today we're going to get to color.
Because unicorns aren't just black and white, so this is a special edition with a bit of color at the end. Okay, so Zola draws awesome unicorns. Can you teach us how? Okay.
We're going to start with like the line that she's going to be standing on.
Along the bottom, draw on the ground. Okay.
And now we're going to draw her horn.
Her horn first. Out there, super long. I love how long this horn is.
Well, I like long horns.
Yep.
And then we're going to do little lines like unicorns always have.
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
And now we're going to do a little her face.
Oh, she is going to be so sweet, hey? So like that. Oh, I like the shape of your face. Cool, okay?
And we're going to draw a little like that.
And what is this part?
It's her mane.
It's her mane.
Because some unicorns have some of their mane in front of their face.
It kind of comes out the front a bit. Okay.
We're going to do some little lines.
Aw. Zola, I love your details. You put a lot of detail and thought into your drawings. Into everything you do. I love it. Okay.
We're going to do some little swirls.
Little swirlies in the hair?
Yeah.
Oh man, so cool. So cool. No wonder unicorns are so magical. Oh, and you got dots in there? What? Are you kidding me? So cool. And swirls in the next one. And so whoever's drawing along, can they make up their own designs in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
we're going to do the nose. And then we're going to do the mouth.
Super happy, hey?
The eye is going to be like that.
A nice big eye like that, okay?
And this is her pupil, so you can color that in.
The pupil's gonna be dark.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your pupil is dark?
Yeah, my pupils are dark. Same with unicorn pupils. Okay.
So we're gonna go a magic line over her.
Behind the horn?
Yeah, and then we're gonna do the rest of her mane like that.
Curling around. Oh, cool.
We're gonna do the same. We're gonna just do the same like we did on this one. A bunch of lines and designs in them.
Very cool. All the details on this. Is this part of the hair also called the mane?
Yeah.
Both sides of the head.
But the tail, the mane of the tail of the pony, I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Once we get to it, it's called a tail.
Cool.
And they can move it.
I love that. And we're doing swirlies in here too. I like those. Super unicorn swirls. Uniswirls.
You can do your own design.
How many uniswirls does a unicorn have? Mine has about 23. Yeah, you finish up the designs. Zoes, I'm loving this. This looks so fun.
And I'm gonna do her neck.
Okay. And that comes straight down. Oh man, so good.
That.
Awesome. Oh, that's good. So that's one of the legs.
Can do little swirls for her. The thing around her.
Her hoof.
Little hairs.
Zoe's super cool, buddy. So that's
This one.
oh, good one. So that's one of the legs. Okay. Now what?
Can do the leg behind.
Another leg kind of popping out on this side. Very fun. And a couple little swirls too. Okay. What next? The belly.
Other hoof.
And what does that look like? So you got a little bit of a round part and then it comes down and then back up. Okay.
Do that.
So similar to the other one, we get to do kind of dark on the bottom with some swirls. Okay.
So we're gonna do her back,
Okay.
and then
And leave an opening at the back?
yeah.
Okay.
And now we're gonna do her other foot.
Other foot, okay. So that kind of comes back there. Dark at the bottom with some swirls right around where the horseshoe, the unicorn shoe. Are they called a unicorn shoe?
No, they're called. I don't know what they're called.
Feet.
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 We do her tail.
Oh, I like that. Okay. Oh, I like that. Okay.
Gonna do it like that. So like a little.
Okay.
And then we can do the lines.
Do the lines in here. So, oh, this is where the fun details that really make this unicorn.
When you're done that, you can do her cutie mark.
Her cutie mark?
Yeah.
And what's that?
It's like just, it stays on and you have to earn it because like you need to get your talent.
It's like a badge almost.
Yeah.
Okay. So are we going to do that after the
Yours
tail?
sort of looks like Princess Celestia, so you should make yours a sun. So like you do a line and then just make a sun.
Okay, like kind of like,
I'll teach you. Yeah, like that, and then do those. And don't color them in because we're gonna make it yellow.
okay.
I'm gonna do that too. Then I'm gonna do the designs on them.
Very cool. Oh man. Getting taught how to draw a unicorn by a 6-year-old is probably the best unicorn in the world. This is going to be good. Okay, so details on the tail mane. Although it's not a mane, is it?
It's the tail.
It's just the tail. Okay, I'm going to draw little details. And you can kind of do whatever kind of design on each part of the tail that you want. Okay. I'm going to draw little swirls on some of these. I love your swirls. Those are kind of fun. Those are probably my favorite thing about unicorns. Super swirls. I just upped my swirl count from about 23 to about 31.
And then up here, you can do her cutie mark again.
So, okay, so a cutie mark right on the back at the end, and then also draw that same, if it's a sun down here, you can do a sun up here. And draw a little sun. Is that about right? Okay.
And now we're gonna fast forward the video because we're gonna just color.
Deal. See you at the end of the video once we all have color. Okay.
Thanks for drawing. We appreciate that you followed along with us, and
They did a pretty good job, didn't they?
yeah. And we're gonna see you next time with our next drawing video.
Totally. Awesome. Peace.
Bye. Peace.
Unicorn style. Happy Unicorn Day.